My name is Jacqie. Jacqie. Spelled with a Q, because I'm weird. Today's video is going to be a PR video. I get PR from Gerard Cosmetics, and I want to show you what I got in PR. So yeah, if you enjoy these kinds of videos and tutorials and makeup related stuff, make sure you don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Next to that, there's a little bell. Ring the bell and you will become part of the hashtag Notification Nation, and YouTube should alert you as soon as my videos go up. Okay, let's see. Oh, in my description box, there's social media handles to Instagram and Twitter. Feel free to follow me on those. I post there too. So, all right, let's see. What are we going to start with? Let's start with, I got 2 setting sprays. One is coconut, which I still have. I'm almost out of my coconut. So I was like, I really like the coconut, so I want more coconut. So I got some more coconut setting spray, and it comes with this, you know, obviously you kind of need that. Comes separately, and then you don't have to pay for it separately. They just put it in the container separately. And then I got cucumber, because I like the smell of cucumber things. I don't mind the scent of cucumber. So also got a cucumber. You can never have too many setting sprays, especially when you do makeup as much as I do. Right. Okay. And then I got the Gerard Cosmetics lip scrub in buttercream. Let's open it up and we'll show you what it looks like. If I can get it open. Hey, I have got to do my nails. Been itching to do my nails, but like, just haven't had the time. All right, so it comes in a little container just like this, kind of like their clean canvas base container type. Smells like buttercream. It's a nice, yeah. Nice lip scrub. All right, that's gonna be fun. All right, so there's that. We don't need boxes. We don't need boxes. All right, so this, I also got a lip pencil, and this is in the shade Melrose Place. Let's open it up. I'm sure I'm glad I don't have my nails on right now, because I probably would have broke one. All right, wow, a lot of these I have. All right, so the shade, it looks like this. I have a lot of shades that are very similar from Gerard Cosmetics. Oh, this is more on the pinkier nude side. Hold on. Yeah, I like that. The pinkier nude. There we go. Yeah. I like that. Sweet. All right, and that is Melrose Place. Can't wait to use that. If you're wondering what I use for my eyes, I use the ColourPop Faded into Hue palette. And I use, obviously, the greens. In case you couldn't tell. Unless you're blind, I'm pretty sure you could tell. Alright, next, the Kiss Assist Lip Plumper, because I love this stuff. 3rd time I've gotten this. I love this stuff. Is my favorite lip plumper. And my other one is almost gone, so I was like, let's get some more of that. And I got, I got a lipstick. Okay. I'm excited for this because I don't really have cool tone brown lip shades, but this is a cool tone brown. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at that. You see? Do you see it? Do you see it? Oh, I am in love with that. Oh yeah, I'm so excited about that. That is called Mystic Moon, and it is just their bullet lipstick. Oh, I'm excited for that because I have the hardest time finding cool tone brown shades, and I love a good cool tone brown lip shade once in a while. So very excited. All right, and another lipstick, and Kiss and Tell. You're not supposed to kiss and tell, but apparently we do. Ridiculous. It's also a bullet lipstick, and it is this beautiful pink shade. So excited. I love a nice pink. Look at that. Look. I love a good Barbie poppy pink shade. Beautiful, beautiful. Ooh, I'm excited. And again, that is Kiss and Tell. Probably, I don't know what I'm going to use for a lip liner with a shade like that, because let's face it, all the lip liners I keep getting are all like neutral lip liners. Okay, and then I got the Eternal Eyeliner, which is eyeliner. I think it's a felt tip eyeliner. I don't know. I'm about to find out as soon as I can bust into it. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh. Opening things is so difficult for me. I don't know why. Alright, so let's see here. The liquid. Oh no. Is that a felt tip? I don't know if that's felt tip or brush tip. It's really, really hard to tell. Let's do this. Ooh, look at that. That's black. Oh, that is black. I want to say it's a really flexible felt tip. Ooh. Oh yeah, dude. Look at that. That is black. Shake before use. Whoops. Well, what are you gonna do? But yeah, so that is the Eternal Eyeliner. Wow, so pretty. It does have a little sheen to it when it dries down. It doesn't dry down completely like matte. I don't know if you can tell. It's hard to tell on camera. But that's fine. That doesn't bother me. It bothers some people, it doesn't bother me. So if something like that bothers you, well then, now you know. I don't... Don't buy it, I guess. All right. And then, last, but certainly not least, my hand's all wet now. I got another Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day t-shirt. I get the like unisex t-shirt because I have a tummy. It's tragic, I know. I used to not, but I do. And so I don't like the shape of the women's shirt, so I like to get just the unisex so I can hide that fat belly. And I'm pretty sure the one I have right now is a medium size, and this is a large. Like I said, I have a belly. But I loved that shirt so much, I wear it all the time, so I thought to myself, why not get another one? So that, y'all, that is my PR haul from Gerard Cosmetics. I love Gerard Cosmetics. I love the owner of Gerard Cosmetics, Jen Gerard. She seriously is the best. Like, she lets us tiny creators like feel like we're a part of the beauty community, and it's amazing. And I don't know, can you see all those lipsticks back there? I love their lipsticks. I'm wearing one right now. I'm wearing Between the Sheets. But yeah, I love it. I just love it. And I use their setting sprays all the time. And they keep my makeup looking good. So yeah, I just love them. So thank you to Jen Gerard for sending me this lovely PR. I could not, I cannot tell you how much I appreciate it. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, then please hit that thumbs up button for me. Now you see that the pictures are not quite in frame. I really don't know how to decorate the background of my area. I really don't. If you have any ideas, leave some in the comments. Give me some ideas. I'm clueless. It is a hot freaking mess back there. And that thing you can't even see because my head blocks it, but it smells so good that I like to keep it there. But anyways, okay, that's a whole other thing. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up. Don't forget, if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I would absolutely love it. It would help me out so much. And yeah, we're gonna play with some of these in a future video. So I hope you come back to watch some more videos. And I also hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye!